YouTube family, what is good? It's your boy Enrico the Barber, and today we are back with yet another video. I know let me not even come through with the excuses. I have no valid excuse. Been super busy. Y'all already know. We moved barbershops, so ever since we moved to the new shop, it's been bigger, much better, more responsibility, obviously. I just wanted to start 2023 off nice and strong. I got a different camera as well, so I'm just playing around, getting used to the way this camera works. It's much different from my Canon M10. As you can see right now, I'm still trying to move around, trying to catch some good lighting. But nonetheless, guys, I am back with more content. This year I'm gonna try, I'm not even say I'm gonna try and be consistent, because I say that every year and then I end up falling off along the way. So this year we're gonna see what happens. But like I always say, guys, I'm planning to get monetized. Maybe if I am monetized, I'll have more motivation, be more motivated to put out more content. It's your boy Enrico the Barber, guys. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a like and definitely leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the content. Let's go ahead, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. Like I said, we are doing a drop skin fade. Guys, I hope you enjoy and get ready to be seeing this face more often. Let's go ahead and let's jump straight into today's tutorial. So as you can see, we are doing a skin fade haircut tutorial. I will be walking you guys throughout this haircut step by step. So today we will basically be doing something similar to a drop fade. I just add my own spin to this cut. Like if you are a usual viewer, you guys already know I like to, make haircuts a bit different, just to, add my own special touch. So nonetheless, guys, as you can see, I'm going in with my WAHL designer, and I am setting in my first zero guideline. As you can see, I have my lever entirely closed, and I am going ahead and I am setting in the ball guideline from both sides as well as the back. As you can see, the guideline has a bit of a drop in the back, so we just want it to be a bit lower at the back over there. So next off, I grab my WAHL cordless detailers, and as you can see right now, I am going ahead and I'm holding my client out. With a specific step, guys, you can take your time, because the more time you take, the nicer and cleaner you get your balding area. Like, you can get it really nice and clean if you go over it a few times. So now back to our WAHL designers. As you can see, I'm going in with no guard lever open, and I am setting in a guideline of about ½ an inch. Guys, with this guideline, make sure you go over it a few times just to make sure that you do get the hair nice and even, and make sure that your guideline is even on both sides as well as the back. That's why it's always good to use your mirror for reference. And right here, you guys will notice me going ahead and starting to bald out that zero guideline. So you'll slightly adjust your lever bit by bit until you notice that the zero guideline is completely gone. So now with my number 1 guard, starting off with my lever open, I am going ahead and I'm setting in a guideline of about 1 inch. And I'm going to make sure that this guideline is even on both sides as well as the back. As you can see over there, I went ahead and I closed my lever. I'm skipping a few steps here. I'm just showing you guys my other fading system. I'm doing one side at a time, and as you can see right now, I have my 0.5 guard, starting off with my lever open, and once I do feel comfortable, I will go ahead and close my lever. And as you can see, that bottom guideline over there is already starting to blend away very nicely. So next off, still using our WAHL designer, we're gonna go ahead with no guard, starting off with our lever open. And right now what we are basically doing is we're going ahead and we're doing some detailing work, some damage control. We're making sure that we get it nice and blended. So now, as you can see on this side, we're gonna follow the exact same steps as we did on the other side. Starting off with our lever open, slightly adjusting our lever until we notice that that zero guideline is set in, starts to blend away very nicely. So now with our number 1 guard, with our lever open, as you can see, we are going to set in the same guideline as the other side. Make sure that, guys, don't be afraid. If you if you need to check the other side, as you can see like I did, just to make sure that your guidelines are even. And there I went ahead and I closed my lever. As you can see, I started lightening up the bottom guideline. Now with my 0.5 guard going in with my lever open, and once I do feel comfortable, I will go ahead and close my lever. Now with no guard, lever open, did some detailing work, like I said, some damage control. So now guys, we're gonna follow the exact same steps at the back. The exact same thing we did on the sides, we're gonna do at the back, guys. And guys, let me just take a second and wish you all a happy new year. I wish you guys a very prosperous, very fruitful 2023. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Most definitely hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I do drop a tutorial or any type of video. And guys, let's try and get the channel up to 1,000 subscribers. Like I say, I'm just gunning to get monetized. So all I need from you guys is a whole lot of views and a whole lot of subscribes. But nonetheless, guys, now still using our WAHL designer. As you can see, I have my number 1 guard on. Starting off with my lever closed, I am going ahead and I'm debulking the top area of my client's hair as requested. As you can see, I'm going with the grain at all times. Reason being is because we don't want the hair to be too short. So when you go with the grain, you leave just a little bit of length. So make sure that you follow the direction in which your client's hair is growing. So now with my number 1 guard, starting off with my lever open, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start building out this guideline over here. As you can see, I am using a flick motion. And guys, once you are comfortable and you notice that the line isn't lightening up, don't be afraid to go ahead and start adjusting your lever. Close your lever a bit more, as you can see I'm doing. And now I'm gonna follow the exact same steps on the other side with my lever open, using my flick motion, and Bob's your uncle, guys. Next off, with my WAHL cordless detailers, I'm gonna go ahead and line my client up. You guys always know I like starting my lineups in the center and moving either to the left or the right. And guys, this is our end product. If you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, leave a comment, and most definitely hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that we do drop a video. Guys, it is your boy Enrico the Barber. Until the next video, peace.